What up everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video of Pokemon Omega Ruby for the Nintendo 3DS. The reason I'm doing this unboxing is because I haven't seen a lot of these on YouTube. The most of them are not in English. Personally, I haven't found one in English. So here you have the front, the side, the back, and the other side. Here we also have a photo. You get the game, the card holder, and a poster of all the Pokemons. Alright, let's unbox this baby. Now, you get the game, no steelbook, just a normal edition with the game, a booklet with information about other games like Zelda and codename Steam, Monster Hunter 4 Ultimate, also a very good game. Right? This is the poster. Pokemon Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire. Here you can see all the Pokemons you can catch and collect. There you go. And of course, last but not least, the card holder, which for me was the main reason to buy this. It's very well sealed also. Here you have the nice detail with the fire. Alright. Et voila, that's it. You can open it, put a game in it, like this. Close it, and put it on display on your case as a collectible. And very useful too. That was my unboxing on Omega Ruby for the Nintendo 3DS. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos or more unboxing, comment on the comment section down below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the unboxing. Till next time. Peace.